are going to see the poem Patriotism. What is patriotism? Patriotism is the feeling of love, devotion, and sense of attachment to a homeland or own nation. Let us see the poem. Will we live in a country without inner boundaries? Will we treat everyone alike, or will we show our dislike? Will we stick to our core in, or will we become foreign? Yes, we love our nation. Divide when seen as persons. Yes, we have different language, yet our integrity shouldn't damage. Will we make our mother proud, or be with her like the crowd? Learn how to be kind and love each of her child. Before going to see the poem, just see the glossary. Boundaries, a dividing line. Core, our true self or value system. Foreign, distance, like a part of a different thing. Integrity, the state of being wholesome. Feeling, honored. Let us see the first stanza of the poem. Will we live in a country without inner boundaries? Will we treat everyone alike, or will we show our dislike? Here, the poet begins with the poem asking a question with longings and expectations. Will we live in a country? Yes. Country refers to the land of an individual's birth, residence, or citizenship. Yes, India is our country. Dear children, the poem speaks about inner boundaries. In third line, boundary means a line which marks the limits of an area. Children, here we need to understand the difference between country and state. Country refers to a large nation with its own government and economy, whereas the state refers to a large governing area within the country. For example, India is a country. Tamil Nadu is a state in India. Okay. From the largest to the smallest state, each state or union territory of India has a unique demography, history, culture, dress, language, and festivals. So, the poet is asking few questions to the readers because we are living in a country where there are many differences or diversions in the name of state, region, language, culture, festivals, caste, and religion. The poet's inner feeling is to break down or to ignore all the barriers and live together without any differences or in the boundaries and treat each and every citizen of this land alike. Alike means same without showing any partiality, dislike, or hatreds. The poet puts his vision or dream about his country in the way of questions in the first stanza. Moving to stanza 2, will we stick to our core in, or will we become foreign? Yes, we love our nation, divided when seen as persons. Children, as the poet talks about the core, that means value system. Core means value system. We need to learn the values of our nation. Here, respect is an extremely valued component of the everyday life of people in India. As we all know, Indian children are taught from a very small or young age to respect their elders. Always, children take care of their parents once they become adults, and especially family is an extremely important component of Indian culture. Dear students, in these lines, the poet is asking, are we going to stick on to our values as responsible people of the country, or are we going to keep us away from all these values and remain a foreigner? That means moving away from the country, or be stronger or unfamiliar person in this. In third and fourth lines, the poet ensures that we love our country, but as persons or individuals, we are divided in many ways. Stanza 3. Yes, we have different language, yet our integrity shouldn't damage. Will we make our mother proud or be with her like the crowd? Here, the poet reveals two facts. Number one, language. Number two, integrity. The poet accepts or affirms that we have different languages, yet he wishes not to damage the integrity of our nation. Well, shall we know what is integrity? The quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. So, dear children, here the poet demands the readers, that is, you and me, make our mother proud. Mother here, it refers to motherland. Children, in this line, the poet used the poetic device personification. That is, a thing, an idea, or an animal is given a human attribute. Here, the poet calls the motherland or country as mother. So, it is a personification. Well, we, the responsible people, make our mother, which is motherland, proud by maintaining our honesty as an individual person and keep up our unity or undivided quality as citizens. And the poet asks, are we going to be just a crowd? Crowd means a large number of people living together in a disorganized or unruly way. That is, are we going to stand together in unity though we have diversities? Or are we going to be indifferent or ignore the responsibilities and just we are one among the crowd as spectators? Moving to the last stanza. Learn how to be kind and love each of her child. In these two lines, the poet advises all of us, that is, the readers of the poem, to learn to be kind and love each and every person of our country, of our motherland, as children of hers. Hence, let us summarize the poem in few words. In this poem, the poet questions how we are going to live. Number 2, will we live including everyone without showing any dislikes? Follow our values, love our nation, and remain undivided citizens. Number 3, make our land proud by keeping up our integrity in spite of differences in languages, regions, and many more. And he tells us to be kind and loving person to other people. Thank you, children. I hope you understand the poem.